Penetration test between the 38 Special and the 357 Magnum. Shooting out of the Taurus Snubby. Also aka known out here at the Bohemian Hunting Club as the Piglet. Shooting at about 7-10 yards, something in that. Again, this is Bohemian ballistics. It's not exact. It's close enough. We're going to do the 357 first, followed by the 38 Special. Here we go. 357 first. Alright. Now, the 38 Special. Y'all heard that sound. Let's see the sound difference in the 38. Big difference. Alright, here we go. Took a second shot. That was the first one on the 38. That did at an angle, so it went down. So I wanted to keep the test as, going penetration, whatever, as much as possible, kind of close enough to each other. So here we go. This is a 357, 38 Special, deep penetration. Shooting at a snubby. About 7 yards, 10 yards max, maybe, if that. So, first board. And the 38, actually, I didn't even need to retake the shot, because the result would have been about the same. It barely penetrated the, didn't even penetrate, just barely nugged the back. 357, going through. There's the second board. Will it go through two boards? Oh shit. We got penetration all the way through two, going through a snub nose. Alright, let's go into the third one. Damn. That is the third board. Clean through. Definitely clean through. We're into board number 4. This is out a snub nose 357 Magnum UMC 125 grain bullet. Huh. Alright, so we're into the fourth one. 1, 2, 3, 4. I put 7. Yeah, there we go. Buried itself into the fourth. So basically, if you do the milling and everything, you'd say it's going through 2, 4, 6, maybe 6 inches of wood altogether. That ain't bad for a snub nose. There we go. Thanks for watching. 357, 125 grain. .38 Special, 158 grain.